Hello my dears, in this video I will show you how you can get paid for watching YouTube videos. You can be paid daily, and as you can see, the payments are motivating. You have to go to YouTube, look for the most viewed videos, then do a trick by which you will make money on a popular video created by someone else. You can withdraw the money through PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, bank transfer, or even Bitcoin. Videos with games are the most popular on YouTube and the most viewed. For example, if we search on Vidic to see the statistics for the game Destiny 2, then we will see that monthly more than 6,000 people search for videos of this game. But if we write GTA 6, then we see that more than 41 million searches are on YouTube, over 41 million searches every month. If we search directly on YouTube for this game, then we see how long ago the video was added and how many views it has. The first video has 18,000 views and was added only 10 hours ago. The trick I talked about earlier is called shrinkment. It pays us $220 for 10,000 views, but look at this video that already has 18,000 views and it was added only 10 hours ago. Below you can see another video that was added 12 hours ago and already has 24,000 views. As I said at the beginning of the video, the field of games is very, very popular, so let's make money on it. The number one priority is that we don't have to make any videos. We will use the most popular videos that are made by someone else and we will take advantage of their popularity. So, with the first step we determined, you have to search for the most popular videos. Now we move to the second part, go to these sites, I will write the link in the description, and we have to register. Now write all the necessary data here, confirm that you are not a robot, accept all the terms and conditions and press the register button, or faster you can register from the start with your Google account. Thus we arrive at our main page. The statistic is at 0 because we created a new account. What do we have to do here? We need to create new shortened link. We return to YouTube, open a video, copy the link and return to our page. We place the link here. Now all that remains is to press the shorten button. But there is one more detail that I think I should show you. Alias, what is this? Here we write the word or words that we want to be at the end of our link. For example, I will write here smart money, then press shorten and see the result. Now we have to copy this link. In order to make money, the YouTube views must be due to us. We must spread this link on as many platforms, forums and various pages with games as possible, so that the more people will access this video from our link, the more we will make a lot of money. As it says on the main page, for every visit, you earn money, so the more visits, the more money. But what can we do to have more visits? First of all, you need to search for several popular videos and pass the link through the shrinking website. The more links you have, the more money you can make. After you have the links, you need to distribute them in several sources. These can be various game forums, even Facebook pages about games and so on. You can open Google and there write GTA 6 forums. You will see a lot of pages where players discuss different topics. All you have to do is to register on this forum and get involved in the comments. Write comments with the members of the forum and leave a link to a gaming video there. They will access that link to watch the video they like, and you will receive money every time they watch that video from your link. If this method of making money seems interesting to you, then support this video with a like. For me, your support is important. This motivates me to look for more ideas to make money online to show you. In the description I will leave some links to the most popular methods of making money online. I recommend you to read the description and choose which method suits you the most. I wish you to make as much money as possible to achieve your goals. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next videos.